video, we looked at the different parts of the plant cell. One of them were chloroplast, if you remember. Chloroplast is an organelle that is present in plant cells, especially in the cells that make up the leaves. They carry out a process known as photosynthesis to get energy, which is basically making energy from sunlight. Photo means light. This is the structure of a chloroplast. We don't need to know the different parts of it, but this is how it looks. Now we now we know that the chloroplast uses sunlight to get energy. But how exactly does it do that? It does it with the help of a pigment called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is present inside chloroplast. This pigment traps sunlight, and then this sunlight is converted into glucose, which the cell will use as energy. One other thing we need to notice here is that plants don't just use sunlight, they also make use of carbon dioxide. Like us, plants also breathe. Plants breathe in carbon dioxide and release oxygen, which is the opposite of us. Plants use water in this process. Plants add carbon dioxide and water together to make glucose and oxygen. Where is the light rays here? What happened to the sunlight? Imagine you're baking. When we're adding the different ingredients together, do we just add them in a bowl and leave it? We'll have to mix it, right? The same way, sunlight helps in allowing this reaction to happen. Sunlight allows you to add carbon dioxide and water and convert them into glucose and oxygen. Sun rearranges the structure of these reactants over here. Reactants are the particles that are in the beginning before they are converted to energy. After the end product, we have glucose and oxygen. Before that, we have carbon dioxide and water. Those are the reactants. We have carbon dioxide plus water, which gives us glucose plus oxygen. This is the photosynthesis reaction that occurs that gives the plants the energy they require. And when we're talking about sunlight, it would be written right here. Sunlight helps this reaction. Glucose here is the food for plant cells, and oxygen is the byproduct of the reaction. What is a byproduct? A byproduct is something that is produced but isn't required. When this reaction happens, oxygen will be produced. You can't avoid it. But do you need the oxygen? No. That's why the plant cell exhales it. The glucose that they made, is used by the plant for all its daily activities, and they store it for the night. This is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel, like the video, and leave a comment on your opinion about the video.